Hello friends, is your car overheating, running rough, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0428, then you're in the right place. This error code is related to the catalyst temperature sensor, which monitors the temperature of your catalytic converter. If left unchecked, it can cause engine overheating, increased emissions, and potential damage to your exhaust system. In this video, I'll explain what P0428 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0428? The P0428 error code stands for Catalyst Temperature Sensor High Input, Bank 1. The catalyst temperature sensor measures the temperature of the catalytic converter to ensure it operates within a safe range. If the ECU detects that the sensor is reporting an abnormally high temperature, it triggers P0428 as a warning that the catalytic converter may be overheating. Common symptoms of P0428 include check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, engine running hotter than normal, possible exhaust system overheating, and a failed emissions test. If you're experiencing these issues, well, let's locate the key components involved in this fault. So where exactly can you find these sensor and component locations? The catalyst temperature sensor and related components are found in the following locations. First, the catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system, between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. Then, the catalyst temperature sensor is installed directly on or near the catalytic converter. The upstream oxygen sensor, also known as O2 sensor 1, is located before the catalytic converter, usually in the exhaust manifold. Meanwhile, the downstream oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor 2, is found after the catalytic converter to measure exhaust gas efficiency. Lastly, the wiring and fuses for the catalyst sensor are typically located in the engine bay fuse box or along the exhaust system wiring harness. Here's a handy tip. Sensor locations may vary based on the vehicle make and model, so it's always a good idea to check your service manual for precise details. Alright, let's talk about some common causes of the P0428 error code, shall we? First up, we have a faulty catalyst temperature sensor. You see, if this sensor is sending incorrect high readings, well, the ECU might just trigger that P0428 code. Next, let's consider wiring issues. Corroded, frayed, or damaged wires can definitely cause incorrect high input signals. Another cause could be an overheating catalytic converter. A clogged or inefficient catalytic converter can lead to excessive heat buildup, which is not good at all. We also need to think about a rich air-fuel mixture. If too much fuel is entering the engine, it can cause higher exhaust temperatures, which can trigger the error code. And lastly, a blown fuse or a faulty relay. If there's a faulty power supply to the catalyst sensor, it can also cause incorrect readings. So, those are some of the common causes of the P0428 error code. How to fix P0428? First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0428 code and check for related codes. Next, locate the catalyst temperature sensor and inspect its wiring and connectors for any damage. Then, test the catalyst temperature sensor using a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. After that, check the catalytic converter for overheating or clogging and replace it if needed. Also, inspect the oxygen sensors to ensure they are working correctly. Don't forget to verify the fuses and relays related to the catalyst sensor and replace them if necessary. Finally, clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive your car. The P0428 error code can lead to engine overheating, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. If you see this code, make sure to inspect the catalyst temperature sensor catalytic converter and oxygen sensors for faults. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0138, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, Bank 1 sensor 2, and P0139, O2 sensor circuit slow response, Bank 1 sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.